Welcome to today's guide, where I'll show you how to allow pop-ups for WhatsApp web on your PC, especially after the latest update that changed a few browser settings. If you've noticed that notifications or login prompts aren't appearing properly, this quick fix will help you set things right in just a few simple steps. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by going to the official website and logging in with the QR code just like you normally would. Once the page is open, take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Right next to the web address, you'll see a small icon. This is where your browser keeps the site information options. Click on it. From there, select View Site Information. This opens a menu that shows how the website interacts with your browser, including security details and content permissions. Next, click on Settings. This will bring up the specific setting page for WhatsApp web. Scroll a bit until you find a section called Permissions. This part controls what the site is allowed to do on your device, things like camera access, notifications, and pop-ups. Now, click on More Settings Permissions. After this, you'll see a list of all available permissions that can be adjusted individually. Find the option that says Pop-ups, and then in the drop-down menu next to it, choose Allow. Once you've done this, your browser will now permit WhatsApp web to show pop-up windows whenever they're needed, whether it's for new message alerts, account logins, or other updates. After changing the setting, simply refresh the WhatsApp web page. You should notice that everything functions smoothly again with pop-ups working as expected. That's it, you've successfully enabled pop-ups for WhatsApp web on your PC using the new settings layout. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my other tutorials for more quick fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching.